Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video in Canva. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an animation on your design. So you can create a post for social network on something like this, and you can just add a small animation, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds for your design, and it can be very interesting. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's just one click. And if you want to learn more about Canva, everything will be on the first link on the description. My complete course, Master Everything about Canva Masterclass. So let's first how to animate a design. You can, I'm going to click on Instagram post, just create an Instagram post. And I think I'm going to reuse, first I'm going to show you something. If you click on an element, I'm going to go on element and just create a rectangle like this, and I can activate some color like blue. At the same time, I'm going to add text, click on the text tool, just add the heading like this, and just tap title and position title on this area. When you click on any object, you have an animate option. And thanks to that, you have different possibilities, free and sometimes pro version. And for example, I can make this for my rectangle. I can use this. You can apply pen, fade. You have also more options if you go on the right, just like this. When you want to apply this on text, it's also possible. You have different options like simple writing. You can make something like this. Here you can find bold writing. This option is only for text, but you have also same option that for basic object like this. So you can apply an animation only on a specific object. Now if you want to apply this directly to a complete design, it's also possible. Let's come back on template, and I'm just going to continue, select one of the template. Let's select. I'm going to go on travel Instagram post, and yeah, just use this element, just like that. So now, if I want to add an animation to this, it's possible. First, I'm just going to check something. Here I have a rectangle and another element. Yes, okay. So it's possible. How to do this? You just click outside the design. Outside the design, you have the animate option, and now you will create an animation for all your design at the same time. So click on animate, and for example, you rise just like this. Here, like that. For example, I can use, and thanks to that, if you click on this area, you can find this will be the render, 5 seconds. At any moment, you can click on the timing, and if you want to reduce the timing, you can just apply 2 or 3 seconds. It's possible. And when you will export your work, you click on download. You will export whether in MP4 or GIF. GIF can be totally enough for this small animation. Short clip, no sound. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is if you, I'm just going to remove all those things. If you add an element fixed on the backgrounds, I can click on photo, just tap something, landscape. If you just position your picture on one of the pictures, for example, this picture on the backgrounds, just like this, it is fixed. So it means if I just click and select rise, nothing happens, as you can see. Because it is fixed, nothing will happen. If at the opposite I change that and I go elements and I activate the grid with one frame like this, now it's not going to be fixed. So I can put my picture inside just like this. And now it's different, it's not fixed. So it means if I create an animation on my design, take a glance, it's going to work also on the image because I used a frame. So if you add an image on the backgrounds and you want to have an animation also on the image, you need to add a frame. If you don't want, you can stay with just the image on the backgrounds. But if not, you need to put the image inside the frame. So it's okay for this video. So how to add a small animation in Canva on your design. Useful for this type of work, post on social network, generally it is the best, but you can also do this for different works. You like my videos, don't forget you can subscribe to my YouTube channels. And if you want to learn more about Canva, you want to master everything about Canva, it is on the first link on the description. I propose my complete course, Canva Masterclass, and you will see the description of the models and the session. On this, for our next video, see you, ciao ciao.